Here's a video that I thought I would make to show you how easy it is to get on Canvas and access the assignments that I've made. So to get on Canvas, there have been many emails sent to your school email over the last couple of days. I sent one March 16th. There's no subject. You can find it. So open your email, find my email that I sent. It says, I hope this email finds you well. I'll be setting up a Canvas course for you to use that can be accessed by going to this website. So here's the link, jsd.instructure.com. Just click on that link. And this one just took me straight into it, but yours, you will have to log in with your email address and your password. Your password for Canvas is your student number, adding the letters JSD at the end. When you log in, your courses are already set up for you in Canvas. You can see all of them, all 8 of them. This is what we've been doing for the last 2 days. I have tried to make my course as easy and simple as possible to navigate. I want you to do the work and spend a lot of time on the work and not so much on trying to figure out how to operate Canvas. So you click on My Class, and it will pull up the different modules, is what we call them, more like folders. So I have Day 1 Nutrition, which will be tomorrow, March 18th and 19th. And then we got March 20th right there, Day 2 Nutrition, Day 3 and Day 4. Hopefully we're back to school by the time we get, after Day 4. Here's some handouts and PowerPoints for the test review that you'll be doing on Day 4 before you take the test on Mastery Connect. And then here are some makeup assignments if you need to make up any of the assignments. Now we go here to, and I don't know what the heck that was. The first assignment for tomorrow, March 18th or 19th, depending if you have me A day or B day, is right here. You can click on the Supersize Me video link and it will take you to a link of different Supersize Me videos on YouTube. Some of you have already watched this, and so you'll know some of the answers and you just fill them in, but you click on the one that has at least an hour and 38 minutes or so. Watch the video. If you want to, you can make, another window. But you watch the video, and at the same time, you can be taking the notes. So here, I have the notes as well on the Day 1 module. Click on Supersize Me Video Notes, and you will have the opportunity to look at the questions. Now you can open up another document and type all the answers to these questions. You can choose to submit it with a text entry, and then you can go back and forth and put question number 1 and then type your answer if you want to scroll up and then scroll back down. I try to make it very easy for you by adding a link to a Google Doc that you can copy and then type your answers right in with the questions. I've done this with all the assignments, so you just click on it. You'll have the option to make a copy, so you make a copy. This will automatically put it in your Google Drive so that you can access it later to turn it in. Now you can change the title, so it's a little bit easier, right? And we'll say that this guy's name is Joe, right? So we can go Joe's Super Size Me Video Vid Notes, right? Okay. Now that will automatically save into your Google Drive. You can then answer the questions here, or Morgan's weight and body fat at the start of the movie. You'd enter it in here. I'll just put in I have no idea. I'm just doing that right now because I have no idea, but you'll answer it correctly to get full credit. If you want to, you can change the text color so that it's easier to identify the answers right here if you would love to do that, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, and so you could just type in the answers as you go down the way, right? And it is automatically saving in your Google Drive, right? So then you can come back here and you decide, you know what, I want to submit this assignment, right? And so it's just like, you went back to your modules, you came in here, you clicked on Supersize Me Video Notes, right? Right here on yours, it'll say Submit Assignment. This one, it's already been submitted. But you click on Submit Assignment, and then you can choose a Google Doc. And it should be already saved automatically in your, there you go, Joe's Supersize Me Vid Notes. The ones that you have already typed the answers in. So you click that and then Submit Assignment, and it will automatically link that Google Doc with all the answers that you typed in to your assignment, right? So you submit it, and then I come along after a day or two, and then I log in to my Canvas account, right? So I log into my Canvas account, and here's what mine will look like. It'll have my classes that I'm in charge of. I click on the dashboard, I click on my grades, and you'll see that as I go through the gradebook, which will automatically sync with Skyward as I enter in some things, I'll go down here and I will find that you have submitted some assignments. So for example, the one that I just submitted is right here. So I'll click on it and then I will open it up to grade it. It will automatically pull up your Google Doc that you filled in all the questions, right? And I can look at the Google Doc, and then I can give you a score. And I will give you a score, and then I will submit that score to your Canvas. And then you will be able to see what your score is when you log in. So it's pretty simple how you do it. I like this platform. I hope that you are all doing well, that you're not being too anxious. And I hope that this will be an easy way for you to gain access to any of the materials that I have. I've tried to, again, make it as simple as possible for you to do them, right? Some of these you'll have to save PDFs and upload them. So sometimes you'll have to upload a file that you have made. When we do the recipe books, you will have to do that. And so when you submit the assignment, it'll have a Google Doc, but it could also have you upload a file that you'll have to choose from your files and then upload it. It works on a Google Chromebook if you need to. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I will have my phone on me, and I try to respond to all the emails. Hopefully this helped. Thank you. Bye.